A fourth-generation farmer, Will Harris of Bluffton, Georgia, developed his white oak pastures into the largest organic farm in Georgia. He added job-generating meat processing to the farm and has become a provider of high-quality natural meat products to upscale grocery stores and restaurants.
This is White Oak Pastures, our family farm. My family's been on this farm since 1866, and my daughters are the fifth generation here on the farm. It's the largest certified organic farm in Georgia. We raise 5 different poultry species, 5 different red meat species, certified organic vegetables, and pastured eggs here on the farm.
A farmer for 37 years, Harris operates 1,200 acres of rented land and 1,100 acres of owned land. His enterprises include 700 beef cows, a sheep operation with 400 ewes, 50 nannies in his goat herd, 30 sows in his hog herd, and 150 doe rabbits. Annually, he raises about 300,000 chickens, 3,000 geese, 3,000 ducks, 5,000 turkeys, and 5,000 guinea fowl.
This is our brooder where we bring chicks. We go once a week on Friday and pick up 5,000 chicks from the hatchery we do business with in Clanton, Alabama, about an hour and a half from here. When we pick them up, they are gender sexed. We put the hens on one side, the roosters on the other side, and they stay in here for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the weather. We want to get them out of here as soon as we can. We keep them in here long enough to get a good cut.
He sells vegetables fresh, canned, pickled, or otherwise preserved. He does all of this on the farm. His eggs are candled, washed, and sorted for sale daily. His other specialty enterprises include sausage products, a composting operation, honeybees, tanning hides for leather, mushroom production, and an heirloom fruit orchard.
We rotate 5 different red meat species and 5 different poultry species through these pastures of what's referred to as the Serengeti Plain Rotational Grazing Model. Out here you'll see there's several hundred calves that we just weaned. We weaned in August. And they are out here on this grass. These are laying hens that they're cohabitating with. That Serengeti Rotational Grazing Model is an excellent tool from an animal welfare perspective and an environmental perspective.
Harris is active in agricultural and community organizations on a local and national level. He has served on the Organic Farm Research Foundation, and his farm was also the subject of a case study by the World Society for the Protection of Animals. Will and his wife, Vaughn, have 3 daughters, Jody, Jenny, and Jessie. Jenny is the farm's marketing manager. Jody manages agritourism on the farm, and her fiancé, John Benoit, works as a livestock manager at White Oak Pastures. Jessie is a school teacher. So congratulations to Will Harris, the Georgia finalist for the Swisher Sweets Sunbelt Expo Southeastern Farmer of the Year.